Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to start an Audi A5 automatic. Hold the brake, press the engine start button, and ensure the gear selector is in park or neutral before attempting to start the engine. Check the dashboard for warning lights, confirm the parking brake is engaged if parked on a slope, and adjust mirrors and seat for safe visibility before shifting into drive. Also listen for normal starter sounds and avoid holding the key or button continuously. Start by checking the key fob battery and making sure doors are fully closed to allow the car to recognize the fob. If the engine fails to start, try using the physical key slot or hold the fob near the start button. Verify the battery voltage, inspect fuses if necessary, and refer to owner manual for fuse box locations. For intermittent starts, consider professional diagnostics to avoid misfires or electrical faults. Quick recommendation: if you like this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really helps the channel. On another note, the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated on long drives, fits cup holders, and has a leak-proof lid that seals reliably, which is perfect for road trips and daily commutes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Cold weather starts benefit from warming the battery and keeping fuel lines treated with antifreeze additives to prevent gelling. When parked on a hill, engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks or hold the brake while shifting to drive to prevent rollback. Always keep a charged portable jump starter, know how to safely jump from another vehicle, and avoid unnecessary revving to protect the turbocharger and transmission components. Practice starts in a safe, empty area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.